Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, we have three semicircles and the diameter of this large semicircle is 2. We have to calculate the shaded area of this small semicircle. How can we solve this? First we draw this line. This line is perpendicular on the diameters of all the three circles. Let this length is r, the radius of the small semicircle. This will be also r, and let from here to here this length is x. This is the radius of this medium semicircle. This will be also x. Draw this line. This is the radius of the large semicircle. We know that this is 1. Similarly, this is also the radius of the large semicircle. This is also 1. We need to calculate the value of r. So, from this right angle triangle, we can write r square plus r plus x whole square equal to 1. But how can we calculate x? From this triangle, we can write x square plus x square equal to 1, 2x square equal to 1, and x square equal to 1 over 2, and x equal to 1 over square root of 2. So we will put the value of x in this equation and we will get r square plus r plus 1 over square root of 2 whole square equal to 1. From here we will calculate r. How can we solve this? We will simplify this. We will get 2r square plus 2r divided by square root of 2 minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We will simplify this more and we will get 4r square plus 2 square root of 2 minus 1 equal to 0. We will put the values in the quadratic formula and r is equal to minus 2 square root of 2 plus minus square root of 8 plus 16 divided by 8. We will simplify this and we will get r equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 2 divided by 4. Now the required shaded area is equal to pi r square divided by 2. We will put the values here. So pi by 2 into 6 plus 2, 8, and minus 2 under root 2 under root 6 divided by 16. We will simplify this and we will get pi by 8 into 2 minus square root of 3, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.